Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Measure ingredients precisely. 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon light corn syrup, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 8 ounces chocolate, and 1 cup chopped nuts. Line a 9x 13-inch pan with foil and butter the foil so the toffee releases. Place a heavy 3-quart saucepan on medium heat and have a candy thermometer available. You will watch temperature closely, so prearrange utensils, a spatula, and an oven mitt. In the saucepan combine sugar, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon corn syrup, and 1 cup butter. Stir over medium heat until sugar dissolves. Increase heat and clip a candy thermometer to read the side, not the bottom. Bring to a rolling boil and stop stirring once it reaches a steady boil and foams. Watch temperature until it reaches 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage, and observe a deep amber color. At 300 degrees F, remove from heat, cool 2 minutes, then stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt. Quickly pour the hot toffee into the lined 9x 13-inch pan and tilt to spread evenly. Expect bubbling and steam. Sprinkle 8 ounces of chopped chocolate across the surface immediately. Let sit 2 minutes to melt, then spread with an offset spatula into a smooth layer. Scatter 1 cup chopped nuts if desired and press lightly. Let cool at room temperature until firm, about 2 hours, then remove foil, break into pieces, and store in an airtight container up to 2 weeks at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.